Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius Air Sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Aquarius Air Sign. What are the messages for Aquarius? Six of Swords, Three of Wands and Three of Cups. Page of Wands, Justice and the Hierophant. Six of Cups. Five of Cups under the deck. Right now, maybe you are in separation with your person, Aquarius. You are feeling sad for someone or for something which is happening right now in your life. You are feeling sad. Five of Cups. There is sadness. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Six of Swords, Three of Wands and Three of Cups. You decided to move on from your person, Aquarius, because there is third party situation. For some your person may be non-committal, in and out of your life. There is no consistency. That's why you turned your back from your person. You decided and you moved on. Six of Swords with Three of Wands. Definitely for some it could be third party situation involved in this connection. For some, not all. Then present, Page of Wands, Justice and Hierophant. Definitely there is no commitment. That's why you decided to cut off your person from your life. Justice with Hierophant. Maybe someone is coming back for second chances. They want to send message because Page of Wands, and one person is younger than the other person in this connection. Yeah, someone is ready to commit to you when you decided to move on. Okay, but it's up to you to give second chance or not, because totally the decision is in your hands right now. And future, Six of Cups, the Fool with King of Wands. But you stand by your power. In near future you will be very grounded and very attractive. You are taking your power back. You are totally in your control, Aquarius. But someone is coming back with coming back for reconciliation, and they want brand new beginnings with you. But you are in this energy, the Fool. You are going with the flow. You are living in the present moment. Okay, this is very good energy for you. And for some, you also thinking about them a lot. Six of Cups energy, because you both have a strong soulmate connection and past life connection with each other. Definitely someone is returning for marriage or for reconciliation, but decision is in your hands, Aquarius. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Knight of Swords. Someone is rushing towards you to communicate with you. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings towards you. Queen of Swords, again, they're thinking that you cut them off from their life. You are very straightforward in nature, and you are very honest. They're thinking about you. They're missing you. Now they're realizing you both, Aquarius, because Three of Swords with Temperance. They're taking their time because they're in so much pain without you. Three of Swords energy and Temperance. They want to restore the balance in this connection. Maybe they're waiting for the right time to approach you. Right now, your person thinking about how to approach you, and they're in so much pain. Definitely, they're thinking about communication. And Nine of Wands. Maybe right now, you set boundaries for them. That's why they're thinking about. And because Nine of Wands, they're thinking about you set boundaries, you cut them off. You are doing your work. You are investing energy on yourself. Let's see the near future actions towards you, Aquarius. The Fool. They really want to take leap of faith and they want brand new beginnings with you. They're coming back for reconciliation, Aquarius, because Ace of Pentacles with Eight of Pentacles and King of Swords. This time they want to be with you honest, and they want to give clarity about their feelings towards you. There is communication, clarity is coming. The Ace of Pentacles with Eight of Pentacles, they really want to work on this relationship and they want to offer commitment. Eight of Pentacles is very slow moving but stable. Definitely they really want to work on this relationship if you give another chance to them, because they are coming back for second chances. It's totally up to you, Aquarius, to allow to let them in or not. It's totally up to you. But this time your person Ace of Pentacles with Eight of Pentacles, they really want to work on this relationship. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Two cards. Yeah, Queen of Swords, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. There is communication and clarity is coming, and the Hermit and Three of Wands. Definitely there is some waiting game is going between you and your person right now. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And yeah, Hermit, right now your person is spiritually awakening and there is communication and clarity is coming. Queen of Swords is about clarity and communication. You both are very, I think, powerful couple. Yeah, thinking, lot of thinking is going, and this could be spiritual connection also, a strong spiritual bond between both of you. When you both are not talking with each other, still you both are connected. Your souls are connected with each other. And Two of Wands, again, this could be long distance. You also thinking about them a lot and they also thinking about you a lot. And Nine of Wands, yeah, thinking. Success, Six of Wands. Definitely this relationship is going to be next level. You both want success in this connection. Yeah, they right now maybe your person is not talking with you because they are undergoing some spiritual awakening, but in near future they will take action towards you very soon, because right now your person is temperance mode because the Hermit energy, and the person involved in this connection could be Virgo also. They're taking their time. They seeking answers because they feeling very spiritual connection with you. That's why they're undergoing this healing. Once they got clarity, they will make move towards you, because Ace of Pentacles with Eight of Pentacles, definitely they will come to work on this relationship. Strength, definitely this connection has potential. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aquarius. Queen of Pentacles, you are concentrating on your career, making money, creating more money. Yeah, you are balancing finances and career, and they are coming back to offer equal give and take. They are rushing towards you to communicate with you. You achieving financial abundance in near future. You will. There is a lot of abundance coming in your way, Aquarius. You in recent times working towards your career and goals, investing energy on your career and goals, growth. You are creating more money, Aquarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Two of Wands, they are also thinking about you a lot. Four of Pentacles and 10 of Cups and 9 of Cups. Maybe in past they are having hard time to express their feelings to you, but they will express their true feelings to you. And 9 of Cups with 10 of Cups, you are their wish fulfillment, and definitely they want this happiness with you, Aquarius. 10 of Cups family card, and they also thinking about you a lot. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. Bring love into the situation, and under the deck a fiery climax approaches. Wow, there is a solution for your problem is coming, maybe in this relationship, and bring love into the situation. Maybe if you both are not talking with each other, when one person approaches the other person, bring love into the situation. Okay, especially when new moon in Aquarius. So this is when full moon in Aries. These are very important seasons for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.